Hello everyone, hope so all you are very well and you are watching my channel Aryan Roy B and Make, and now we are going to start our English 1 grammar class, and today's topic is this. Today's topics about cases of nouns and pronouns. First of all, I shouldn't say anything about the noun and pronoun because we know what is noun and pronoun and we have the previous information about. And today, so that we can read and understand very well, for that reason I have brought the pages directly from your book. Hope so you can get a similarity, hope so you can match the pages that you are watching on the screen with your book. So I would ask my friends, take the book in your hand with the pen, pencil and highlighter pen also, because during reading I will ask you to underline some lines and some words too. So first of all, let's know today's chapter about that we are going to start. This is cases of nouns and pronouns. Cases of nouns and pronouns, first of all you can see we have divided into the three criteria. Okay, so in Bengali, if you want to get the similarity, hope so you have read as you are in standard 6, that is about the karok. Okay, korti karok, kormo karok, koron karok, kapotan karok, these types of karok in English, that is case. So first, cases of personal pronoun. Cases of personal pronoun is what? First of all, I would say in one word you will finish the personal pronoun. Personal pronoun equals to, you can compare to person. You can compare to person. What is person? That is personal pronoun. Okay. Before starting the personal pronoun, let's come in the nominative case about the then objective case and the possessive case. Nominative case is what? A noun or pronoun that stands as the subject of a verb in a sentence is said to be in the nominative case. That means in a sentence that is subject is nominative case. Okay, I am reading this book. Who is reading? I is a nominative case. Then objective case, a noun or pronoun that stands as the object of a verb in a sentence is said to be in the objective case. For example, the birds flew in the sky. Where are they flying? That is sky. He often calls me. Whom? Me. So that means objective case, it takes the place in a sentence at the end of a sentence. And now the possessive case. Possessive case, that means the in one word I will finish, that is the possessive case, means the apostrophe, like this. So a noun or pronoun that denotes the possession or ownership of anything in a sentence is said to be in the possessive case. That you can see, it is the bird's nest that I said you, apostrophe. This is his cell phone. Okay, his. So here you can see about nominative case, objective case, possessive case. This part we have understood. Now we are going to move to the next segment, cases of personal pronoun. Nominative case, objective case and possessive case. Here you can see I, we, you, he, she, it, they, all, they are example of persons. Okay, first person singular, first person plural, second person singular plural, third person singular, third person singular, third person singular, third person plural. And now the objective case, when they become as object, I, me, we, us, you. And this possessive case, that means the ownership, it can take ascending also. Here you can see you, yours, him, his, her, hers, it, its, them, theirs. Okay, so then after note, the first and second person pronoun can be used both as masculine and feminine. So then he, him, his, obviously masculine gender, nothing is new. She, obviously feminine gender. It is used for neuter gender. Yes, it is for neuter gender, non-living thing. Okay, but it can also be used for small children and animals whose gender is not clear. Yes, this is a new concept you have got here. They, them, their are used for genders. Look at the following examples. Now some examples are there in your book. The words in italic are nominative case of personal pronoun. Okay, the italic word, let's follow. The I, you, she, they, we, he, it, So from here, if you match from with this, you will get all your answers. Okay, then obviously if you take the examples me, you, her, okay, these types of words, other words you will have to find out. And this concept, if you match this with this column, you will get your similarity and the answers the concept for. Then after, the words in the italic are in possessive case of personal pronoun. The same also mine, yours, hers, theirs. Okay, all you can see from here, you will get the concept of personal pronoun with this column. That means your all answer, all chapters are in this column. So my students, my dear students, I would ask you to make this chart very clear, very carefully. Okay, all answers are in this chart. Hope so you have understood, and take the lesson very carefully. And now the time is there to say tata bye bye, and be stay at home, be happy, be healthy. Bye everyone.